Hello, Scorpio. This is your channel messages for the 18th of October. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Scorpio, I cannot sing a lot of this song, okay? It's just a message that came in my head. So that's why I'm getting the song for you. I don't know who have your radios on this morning, but if you have your radios on between the hours of 3 a.m. to 6 a.m., chances are I will be hearing it. And I will be singing the song that you were so-called playing. So let's go, Scorpio. Let a nigga try me, try me. I'ma murder this whole motherfucking family. And I ain't playing with nobody. Fuck around and I'ma catch a body. Let a nigga try me, try me. I'ma get this whole motherfucking family. And I ain't playing with nobody. You fuck around and I'ma catch a body. Bitch, I got it on for a Mac on 40. Turn a bitch to someone, a macaroni. Tell me how you want it, I'm on it. I really meant it, I'm not just recording. No, but a chopper. But leave a big bitch nigga. I am the pasta. Put the burner on his stomach, make it bubbly. Tell her really not. What? It bubbly. I really hate niggas, I'm a Nazi. Love wearing all black shirt in my closet. Rocking all them white when I'm feeling godly. Pop out like coke, I ain't got party. Fuck it all you saying, bitch, love me. 8402104 me. Obviously, I am not that gangster. Tell a nigga try me, try me. I'ma get his whole motherfucking family. And I ain't kidding with nobody. You fuck around and then you get me popping. Did you been the blonde and the shit 40? Give me love because you're on a 40. 40. And cause you could for me. Tell a nigga try me, tell him to try me. I'm gonna get his whole motherfucking family. The whole of the blood clot family we I get. And if your child becomes a good Samaritan by the age of 12, we will let your child go. Otherwise, I'm gonna get his whole motherfucking family. The grandmother, the blood clot dog, the auntie, the fucking uncle, the blood clot family doctor, the garden, the mailman, the man who usually come and audit your meter. I'm gonna get your whole motherfucking family. And I ain't playing with nobody. Maybe somebody's trying to get your whole fucking family. Make you think somebody gonna kill off the whole of your family. All of your family they're going to kill off. And they're going to say, all of your family is dead now. Now you really have no one. And now you're going to be my slave forever. The nigga who still would not make their white slave owner rape her. That's what the fuck you'll be, I'm getting someone's going to kill your whole family off. They're gonna kill off your brother, your mother, your sister, everybody. And then they're gonna watch you cry, or they're gonna want you to cry, or they're gonna say, I killed your whole family.
I am your father now, and now you have no one. Your family's dead. That's what you get for not obeying the power within.
You need to learn how to suck some pussy because your voice too deep. You need some pussy juice to line up the blood clot, treble clef and the bass clef in your throat. That's what the fuck you need to do. Tell a nigga, try me. I'm a mother's whole motherfucking family. And I ain't playing with nobody. Fuck around, you go and get me poppy. Okay, let's go. Let's go and see what is in your messages today. Scorpio. We have palm trees, stability, security, permanence, growth, endurance, and flexibility. We have healing heart. Healing from a broken heart, freeing from a toxic relationship or addiction, both. So maybe this is like somebody tell us if you left them, they're gonna fuck up your whole family. They're going to kill your family if you leave them. Not if I kill you first. Both receiving what you need, progression, arriving, moving on, closure issues. I would never tell you to be born being a violent person, but if at any time a man or try to rob you or they're gonna try to hurt you, whether that is with or without a weapon, this is no, you need to train your brain for use. That is how some of them men catch you. Because them break on the brain for why I love them so much, even if them put them hand on you, you're not gonna blood clot lick them back just like a dog. You don't notice that when you grow up dog, long years, even if you slap them on them bottom, if you slap a dog, them not gonna bite your back. Do it to a cat. Do nothing to a cat. The cat will still blood clot scratch you for no reason. Because it's in the cat's blood, in the dog blood, unless the dog is trained to hunt. Otherwise, you'll have a dog and you'll grow the dog for 10 years. And the first time you slap the dog, or every day you abuse the dog not bite your back. Because it's a dog. You train the dog to obey. So I don't know if it's something like that. Someone's trying to train you to obey. When you are a feline, you're a cat, you will scratch for no fucking reason. Somebody will be there petting you and you just bite them. No fucking reason. Right? So somebody's saying to try you. Try me. Try me. Try me, I'm gonna fuck your whole motherfucking family. Someone's like, if you leave me, I'm gonna fuck your family up. If you leave me, I know where your mom is. If you leave me, I know where your sister is. Sweetie, do you know where your confidence is? Because it's nowhere near getting you pussy. Let's go ahead and go into your reading again. And we have the butterfly, right? Relationship evolving into the next phase. Healing the inner child. You have to heal that inner child. Okay? Maybe somebody wants you to stay a child. Someone's gonna make you stay an orphan. You're gonna stay a child. You're gonna stay a 16-year-old girl for the rest of your life because we have all the lawyers and everybody to redo your birth paper and to make it look like you're a child. And now that we killed all your family off, you go always forever be a child. You'll never be able to have anything for yourself, to do anything for yourself, because we're gonna ride it that way because the government is on our side and your family is dead. So is that stench coming from your motherfucking mouth? It smells dead too. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's see, what are you confessing, Scorpio? We have the King of Cups, Scorpio, and we have the Three of Cups. So Scorpio, are you confessing to being behind all of this? Or you're confessing to know exactly what's happening in this situation? Now the Three of Cups is celebrating. So I'm getting, not sure why you're confessing that you went out with a lot of women. You're confessing that you're celebrating someone's demise. Maybe you're celebrating the fact that you did kill someone's family. I'm getting you celebrate over here. So that's what you're confessing, that maybe you're confessing that you slept with somebody's friends, you slept with somebody's sisters, you slept with, I slept with the whole sisters. All 3 sisters are fucked. This is a world record. We need to call Red Bull, right? I'm getting, confessing sleeping with these people, going out with these people, patronizing these people. Or maybe you're confessing that you want something polyamorous. No shame in confessing that's what you want. That's what you want. That's what you want. Not every girl will give it to you, but not every girl morals structure is strong enough to not be buyed out by money. So that's what you're confessing. We're gonna see why you're telling me you have so much chest. Why are you telling me you have so much holes in different area codes? 5 of Cups because you don't want the holes anymore. 5 of Swords, yeah. I'm getting it's all fun and games. Nice to have beautiful women around you, but when them don't get what them want, chances are when all these women are periods are synced, or I'm getting when you want time to be pampered, beer fighting. So you had 3 cups, 1 cup turnover. I don't know what this is. Me getting with these, the woman and the scenery is nice, but me getting a beer fighting and arguing. 55, you need a change. So you need a change from being polygamous, you need a change from being single, or you need a change. You have 1 penis, and even though you have 2 balls, you still have 1 penis. Okay? We're getting a lot of fights. So maybe you're telling the reason why you confess this to somebody is because you want somebody to defend you. Me getting you one man and be a girl a pick on you. So you gotta tell one other girl, say, so some girls are pick on me. Cause me getting you cannot is girls. They might do little shit fit to you for fuck with your mates, but me getting you cannot attack them. They might attack you. Like one time I remember when there was other shelter, I walk on the road and I see this guy. I remember if I know one Blue Jays hat. In my one girl, it kind of looks staged though, I'm not lie. It looks staged, which is why I never really interfere, but kind of just mind my business. It looks staged. Because I see him and the girl stand up and as the girl see me, it's like she got it. It's like when she see me, it was action to her. I said this looks staged. Anyways, I walk past she and this guy and this girl and the girl boxed the guy. The guy did not do nothing. But again, it kind of looks staged to me. It never looked real. But I said, you can't do that, you can't lick him in the face, so. And she said, mind your business, mind your own business. I said, mind him, lick your back. That's what I said to her. Now, maybe if the girl, if it catch me on a different day, Me become it broke and I never have no money at the time and me just was like, why me I get involved with this man and girl? Me not no money, no me gonna risk being in a fight with this girl. Chances are the man are gonna go back to war because men like toxic behavior. Sometimes the men them run the girl them will box them in them face, than the girl them are very nice. Them say the girls them that are nice are boring. Them want the girl them will hit them and box them in them face. I have been requested by men to treat them like shit in public. I have been asked to please humiliate. Man will ask me please him when I deal with them and humiliate them in the public. Take off my shoes and ask them to kiss my foot in the restaurants. Men have requested me to treat them like garbage, to treat them like shit. And they requested to pay me for this. Now you would say, girl, you're homeless, what you have to lose? I have my morals to lose. I am not that type of person. I am not the type of person to just spit on you from across a dinner table because that's what turns you on. It don't turn me on. So that's what I say. I'm going into the argument and then I'm going to back with her later. It don't make sense. It's not like this guy look like he won't leave. He don't even look like he won't leave. So, if it wasn't staged, that's the only thing I said and I walked off. But me getting something about some girl. Maybe you're in an abusive relationship with a girl, you need to call another girl to beat her ass for you. The fuck you doing, sir? Don't you know? Your mother already brought your mother and told you cannot hit women. No, I would never tell my son he cannot hit a woman. I will tell my son that if you have to defend yourself and the aggressor is a woman or a man, you have to defend yourself. I would never tell a man not to hit back a girl ever, even if she lick in her face. Box bar, blood clot. Me never tell her if fist her, give her one blood clot box in her face. If she is attacking you without a weapon, and you're not hitting her back, you are one box to the blood clot floor. I bet you should have blood clot get up. One box is all it takes to get rid of her possibilities. I know one blood. That is why men are stronger than women. That's why we tell men to don't hit women. Cause 5 of your slap are 1 of yours. So maybe you're not tell this woman where your scars are come from. You're not tell this woman why you're coming around now and you have bare things for you. I'm getting because you're being with women who are abusing you. And you're afraid to talk. I don't know if the girl them have your hostage or again you're afraid to talk. You feel like no girl is strong enough to stand up to these people who are doing this to you. You need to call her, you need to fuck on the girls. That is your cue to cheat. That is your cue to get a badass bitch and tell her, lie down with her and start ball. As a man just start ball and say, you know, some have a girlfriend and she keep a beat me. I mean, I don't know what to do. I mean, I want to hit her back. I bet you say the girl jump to your blood clot head like Spider-Man. I bet you. I bet you she say, what you say? The girl lick you? Come in my car right now. No, I don't want to start any problem. Come in my blood clot. Me don't know if you come in the blood clot car before I lick you blood clot too. Since you already know what it's like to be hit, I can hit you again to give me what I want. Bring me in the blood clot car. Bring me to warrior. No, I don't want to start problem. You want it? Either way, they're gonna lick you or she's gonna lick you. Which one your blood clot wants? Okay, I don't want to get hit anymore. I'll bring you. Great. That was my plan because I did not plan to put my hands on him because he has already got hands on him. Go over the blood clot girl house. Come out of the car. Come here. You lick him? Excuse me, ma'am. I don't know why the fuck you're here. He's my man. I ask you a blood clot question. You lick him, yes or no? Yes, I did. So is my man. Square up. You lick him, square up. Bitch, square up, bitch. Square the fuck up. You lick him? Yeah, alright, cool. So why your man? How long him been your man? I never know. I never know so long he was your man. Okay, so why your name have? Why you keep a beat him? What happened? I don't understand why you keep a beat him. Because you know, so you have to lotion yourself before you fight. So the girl no hold on pan now. So you can slip off her. When she try to hold you slip off. So you lotion before you fight. Lotion your face and everything. She punch you, the punch will slip off. And you beat out her blood clot. You better make him dry you off her. You better make him save you from the licks that she's about to get. You're right, and blood clot. You can't have girlfriend and girl bully you. You can't have girlfriend and fucking other girl bully you and lick you. And your girl not defend you. Your girl not defending you. That's like if I had a man and a man harass me and torment me. Or you for be my man and know so another man harass and torment me and you left it. You're a pussy, that's what you are. You don't deserve pussy. Because obviously you can't protect it. You don't deserve to eat, to taste, or fuck what you can't protect. Great. So, good. You can't have girlfriend and girl boxing in your blood clot face. Unless it's your girlfriend doing this, then you fuck another girl. You go on Pornhub and watch how to eat pussy the best way. Find a girl and eat her pussy. Make she fall in love with you and she can beat that girl ass for you. And then if you want, you can just leave both of them. Maybe you don't want violent girls. Let's see what your outcome is. I'll be motherfucking damned. You crazy. We have the 4 of swords, 6 of cups, resting. Yeah, me getting you to talk to somebody about your issues. About that you're facing with these women. Me don't know if the woman them hit you too hard or when me getting them too aggressive with you. Me getting you soft. And that's okay. Me getting you start to avoid these women completely. Me getting you tell somebody what happened to you and then you avoid them. You avoid your heart. Cause me getting the girls are mean or them bully you. Or them hit you, and you not say nothing to them because he's a guy, maybe in them friend circle because you're a guy. Maybe that's why they don't have boyfriends, right? They have boyfriend? No, that's why. Okay, great. So I'm getting you not talk to me, the parent, or you hide from the girl then. Hide from you better find a new girl to take care of your business, sir. This is why you're there making this girl box you in public. Making this girl put her hands on you in public, and I'm not going to say you did nothing because if you did lick her back public would have probably tell you can't do that, is a girl, even though she'll lick out your blood clots. One of the lucky things they'll never catch me when my blood clot bank account was at least over $50. Because I would have dragged that bitch when I saw her. I swear But the way I didn't look, it looked staged. Bad. Because she stand up in front of him back is to me, she's to me, and then she see me, she start look at him and start talk. As if it was lights, camera, action. But I'll tell you, that day at Danforth Avenue, the way my blood clots take up, no, I'm homeless already, so all you have to do is just run away and come back, you're good, right? I tell you, had I walked past and I saw that day and my bank account was over a threshold where we could have even afford to buy cannabis, we could afford to buy a pre-roll, that bitch would have got dragged that day and I don't know her. I'd willingly drag that bitch that day. And if anybody come to my police come and I say, cause she let the boy down face, I'd probably get in trouble though, and I'd drag that bitch so fast, and I'd drag that bitch. I'd take her here and wrap it around my blood clot, and I'd drag her, and get her some fuck look in her face. You want hit? Let me show you what hitting is really, since he can't hit you, let me do it. I'll be more than happy to do it for him. I'm going to leave it here. Oh no, let me do this. Make my bank account. I call when me that a TD back, I go check my bank account and it was 0. And when I come back, I see it. I say, make it, did have something in there. Because I say, why I take myself, I get involved with people, nobody not help, no more broke right, no me not shelter, I can't get $7 for buy one blood clot cannabis. When I jump down, that people argument for. And chances are, he's going to part me from her, tell me to stop because I feel woman and go with her. Someone say, I'm not jumping out. Maybe if it was another situation, maybe if the guy was crying out for help more, or the guy tried to get away from her, then would have jumped in. And I would have beat her fucking ass. Then I'm blood clot near upon Danforth Avenue sidewalk, and I beat that Indian bitch's ass. I'd have beat the shit out of her that day. Her face would have been fucked up, because that's the only thing I would target. To make sure say no other man no blood clot like her. Since you want to go around one blood clot, but she get the boy no, me don't know if the boy cheat on her. Maybe he cheated on her and he deserved it. But he didn't hit her back, so that's what saved her. That's what saved her from the harassment. Yeah, forbidden fruit. Because it's forbidden to put your hands on a girl. But a girl can do it. That's why men supposed to stay in your lane. Stay in your lane, man. Stop trying to pick war with girl. You pick war with girl because you can't fight man. Stay in your lane. Girl for fight girl. Man for fight man. And if you want to know whether you're a man or not, seeing if you have eyelashes on or not, knowing if you have stuffings or surgery or not, look down there and tell me if you have a pussy or a penis. If you have a penis, you're a man. So you fight those. You don't pick fight with girl. You don't pick fight with a girl when in the morning you have to hide your morning dick. But you're picking fight with girl. Kill them with kindness. And a box of and a girl on blood clot boxes say, I kinda know. Because sometimes the MMA go come back in on me, you know. Because my ex-husband used to love watch UFC. And when me there at Jamaica, he used to, because I couldn't afford it, him couldn't sit on the TV, he used to video call me and put it down and make me watch UFC via video call. And him and his friend them would have watched it, which was a very nice thing, right? Okay. I said sometimes the UFC blood just like a blood clot come back for me again, right? I say if there was a ever fair day fight. I eventually got kicked out of that shelter because I fought, because a bitch had it coming. But otherwise, I had a box that girl down, I had a boxer down with no remorse. But again, the sun, I don't know what I'm doing, so maybe I shouldn't jump in. Magic. Pisces, and we got cheating. Yeah, maybe I'm cheated on her, I don't know what I'm doing. I would have boxed him if he cheat on me too, I won't lie. But at the same time, the situation did call for drastic measures. But if the guy didn't look on me and say, if he didn't say, like if he asked for help, I'm gonna help him. But he didn't say anything, she did it to him, and I said chances are she's going to go back home with him. He's going to go back home with her. Because men like that. I've met a lot of men who ask me to treat them nasty and like garbage and disgusting. I'm a decline. Whether they were serious or not about even paying about him, I decline. So I'm just not that type of person. Even for me to act on that role, more than lose respect for myself, going on for people for semi-treating somebody like that. Even if the person consent to it. I'm going to leave it here until next time.